deserve that from you. But, so what do they sell back there? They sell ice cream? Is that an ice cream store? An ice cream store? Looks like an ice cream store. It's probably a beer store, but I'd like it if it was selling ice cream. So you guys should change that shit. Or is that water? What do you sell out there? You don't sell anything, do you? Just a place to stand and look like you're getting stuff. It's an illusion. That's what that is. They don't sell weed here. They sell weed in Washington. They don't sell weed here. You guys got to work on your legislators.
Woo!
Get that shit straight.
Yeah!
Jeez, you know that. You know, but eventually, you know, I'm not telling you that you should. I'm just saying if you want it, you got to vote. And then you got to tell them, what's the problem, seriously? You got high, why can't we get high? I think that, or not. It's up to you guys. But not here, but if you're in Washington State. I'm wasting time for one of my favorite bands, so I hope you enjoy them as much as I do, and buy all their t-shirts and all their music, and listen to them all the time, and stuff like that. My good friend, Blind Pilot.